morning, Wildcats. And guess what? Today is Friday. So happy Friday to you, you, and you. Happy Friday, April 23rd, 2021. Today, we are live from Ms. Concha's pre-K3 classroom, and I have two very, very lovely pledgers who are going to pledge. So go ahead, put your hand over your heart, face your American flag, as we do the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands
one nation, under God,
indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now the Texas Pledge.
Honor the Texas flag.
I pledge allegiance to thee.
Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Great job, Wildcats. Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you so much. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. Remember that if you ever feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, please tell a trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. We continue to be a no place for hate school, so please remember to treat everyone fairly. Promise to be your best, to be kind to everyone, even if they are not like you. If you see someone being hurt or bullied, please tell a teacher. And help others to feel safe and happy at school. At this time, please repeat after me. I will be part of making my school no place for hate.
I will be part of making my school
No place for hate. All right, my friends, we do not have any birthdays today, but whoa, this weekend do we have a lot of birthdays. So tomorrow, happy birthday to Sol A in 5th grade and Isaac V in 2nd grade. On Sunday, happy birthday to Enya C in 1st grade, Jose G in 2nd, and the modest U in 2nd grade. We also have one celebrity birthday tomorrow. That's our very own Miss Castro. So if you see her, please you wish her an early happy 21st birthday. We are still in National Child Abuse Prevention Month. Today is National Picnic Day. Now, it is a very rainy Friday, but maybe the sun will clear out sometime and you can celebrate National Picnic Day. We also do have a Counselor Corner today. It is virtual on Zoom at 9 a.m., so your parents may have gotten that announcement. Also, teachers in pre-K through 5th grade, if you have not picked up your Brighter Bites box, please pick it up today. If not, it will be redistributed. Congratulations to all of our Math Stars of the Week. We have Math Stars from pre-K all the way up to 5th grade. You were chosen for your amazing math skills, and we congratulate you. Also, teachers and students, remember that next week we are dressing up for Math Awareness Month. So, I believe on Monday we are going to be wearing pajamas, so go ahead and get those ready. Continue to practice safety protocols by wearing your mask over your nose and your mouth and washing your hands. The Character Education theme for this month is self-discipline. Today, choose to exercise discipline in all that you do. All right, little friends, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours.
That is right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours. We hope you choose to make it a fantastic Friday.